Go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
I was a little bit confused about this, but is there any form of cheese that is kosher automatically, like hard cheese, aged cheese? Let's say I go and I buy an aged piece of hard Parmesan that's been aged for 3 years, and I cut around the edges. Would that make it kosher?
No. So the problem is that they so even though, okay, so to answer your question, actually we're going to go into details in this book, but just a general answer, right? Even though they use part of the calf's stomach to start the cheese process, so if this non-kosher cheeses, they use this non-kosher stomach, same area of the stomach, but it's not kosher. So to begin with, so this process, so this, even though it's a tiny minority of the mixture, but it was not kosher initially. So in a contrast, so if you have meat, right, part of the meat, and some milk fell into it, so if it's 60 times more meat than milk, so this taste of the milk nullified. So this piece of the meat in a non-kosher cheese, it's even lesser than 1 to 60 for sure. It's lesser, but it was like it was put there intentionally. So when I did whatever, or my kids play around and they spilled milk into my part of cheese, it was part of meat. It was accident. I did not plan for it. But if you plan initially, so the sages say no ratio is going to make it kosher. Always forbidden. That's the thing. And most often, when you buy a kosher cheese, it is made from milk that's supervised by a Jew. So it would say Halaf Israel. Halaf Israel meaning it was supervised by a Jew, and then they may make cheese from it. So there is no way to have by default this kosher cheese or kosher meat. Like it must be prepared in the right way. Milk, yes, but cheese, no. Because milk is natural. So a cow milk, so technically, if you live in a state, so they don't mix anything. They do put preservatives. Most likely, these preservatives are kosher. It's not like from animal, right? Most likely. But still, even milk, we're trying to buy with a kosher stamp. If somebody lives in an area when Halaf Israel, meaning milk made by a Jew, so supervised by a Jew, is not available, so you can buy regular OU milk. There is no problem. Okay, so OU means or Orthodox Union, meaning that they check the ingredients. Of course, there is no Jew on premises when they do the milking of the cow. Of course, that's what it means. But at least they check ingredients. What else do they add to this milk as a preservatives? That's it. So, but it's not going to work with cheese, never. Especially with hard cheese. I'm not sure how they do the hard cheese, but it's even more stringent. I'm not sure.